Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, there is something in the Bitcoin charts which I have never seen like this before. We have right now the most bullish pattern possible and the most bearish pattern possible aligning at the previous all-time high. And this is something, honestly guys, I have never seen that for Bitcoin, and I can't remember me seeing that in any other asset class. I am actually coming to you here from a secret location, a secret country. I can tell you one thing, it's rainy and it's cold. Anyway, I have to be here for you guys, and I am pushing that video even when it's raining inside a car, because I found something in the charts which is very important to push to you in the immediate short term. So let me talk about what I am seeing in the charts, what my next predicted price move is, and also what are my price targets for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I will show you my trades. I actually have 4 trades open. I will show you also where I will be opening my next trade, my entry position, my exact exit position, and much more. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. We are the most lively, the most supportive, but also the most profitable community in the world. So make sure you join us here. If you are new to the channel, scroll down, smash up the subscription button, the bell, and on all. Welcome to the MMCrypto family. We have a $700 bonus, welcome bonus for you on the exchanges down below in the pinned comment if you're an experienced trader after your initial deposit. Let me go over here. Wow, it's just the weather is not for me. Let me go over into the Bitcoin chart and show you exactly what I'm looking out for Bitcoin. So we are starting here once again on the 4-hourly candles. And you know what, guys? This is a big mess, but let me quickly clean that up. So what we can see here is that, let me quickly clean that up. What we can see here for Bitcoin is this cup and handle pattern I was talking about for quite some time, right? So this cup and handle pattern is invalid, but I have good news for you. Take care, guys. Wait for this. So the previous cup and handle pattern had this cup and this neckline here and this handle. Why am I saying that this cup and handle pattern is invalid now? Well, there is a new cup and handle pattern. That's the most bullish pattern actually at the all-time high, but there is the most potential bearish one as well. Let me show you this. Please hear me out, guys. This is important. Bitcoin is at crossroads right now. At crossroads as I have never seen it before. So with this breakout to the upside, and I was telling you, the safest way to trade that is to wait until Bitcoin breaks above the previous all-time high. You can trade it already right here. Well, if you did, you are probably still in a profit or at break even, but the safest way is to trade the all-time high. I will tell you exactly why. Because you see, we broke out and we got rejected. And the important thing is, we got rejected below the previous all-time high. So this draws the conclusion that next to this very bullish cup and handle pattern, we have a potential. Look at this, guys, and please sit down. M pattern unfolding. An M pattern at the all-time high is a double top. A potential double top. This is the most bearish scenario we could imagine next to the most bullish scenario we could imagine. So what we need right now for Bitcoin is actually, and this is why like the bears shouldn't be too happy right now, at least not yet, is that with this rejection down here, we got a big buy up candle here, a big buying candle, which is something bullish for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. We need to break above this because this is the new handle. This is the new handle of the new cup and handles pattern. The new neckline is not of the cup and handles pattern. The new neckline is not this one here, the old one. No. The one above. And this brings us a new price target. As you do remember, let me quickly go back here into the... As you remember, the previous cup and handle pattern had the price target of 70,500. The new one, because we have a higher neckline right now, we have to take the measured move price target all the way from the bottom of the cup to the neckline. And then the new price target of this specific breakout would be, look at this, exactly $74,000, my Fibonacci extension level I was quoting earlier. Now we have the confluence finally, and this is considered to be something bullish. However, guys, if we were to break down or get another triple top here, another rejection at the all-time high, or break down here, create a new lower low for Bitcoin, Bitcoin might be going into a short-term downtrend. And if we are actually creating a higher low here. Well, this can transform into a V pattern, into a W pattern. However, if we are breaking the previous low, guys, it is getting complicated, but this is so important. At 43,000, this M pattern would actually unfold, and we would get the most bearish pattern possible for Bitcoin with the price target at the 30,000 US dollar levels. I am not saying that this is happening right now. I'm not saying that this is the most likely scenario, but this was so astonishing. I have never seen the most bullish pattern and the most bearish pattern unfolding at the same time for Bitcoin. But you know the deal, guys. Let me quickly go back here to this. I have a rental car. I just got myself a rental car. You know the deal, guys. We can profit from this situation no matter what happens, because here is where I'm coming in. Here is where I will show you exactly where to enter, where to exit, how to profit from each situation here, no matter what is happening. This is what makes the MMCrypto family so profitable and so successful. We are sometimes standing on the sidelines for a week or two, but when it's happening, we are there and we are getting these successful trades. Join us also down below, $700 US in the pinned comment. You get it if you click the link, you make your own account, and after your initial deposit, you get $700 for free, with which you can trade and you can withdraw the profits from these 3 trades as well. Before I show you exactly where to enter this potential long trade, where to enter a potential short trade, the long position, the bullish scenario is much more likely still, guys. Don't worry. I want to show you here my trades, because this is my trade over on Phemex, $2.17 million US in a profit. Still open. I just scaled it up, guys. I just actually put in more in that specific trade. And then I have my trade open here over on Phemex, which is right now approximately 10 Bitcoin in a profit, approximately 560,000 US dollars. And I have another 700,000 US dollar trade over on Bybit, and another 500,000 US dollar trade on Phemex, and another trade also. My legendary trade unfortunately got closed, but I took all the profits over, approximately 800,000 US dollars. But this is not the most important. Where to enter this trade, where to exit this trade. Well, let me talk about the most likely scenario. Let me talk about the bullish scenario here, because we are just forming this new cup, this new handle. After this cup, we are forming the new handle here. So if Bitcoin, if this 4-hourly candle were to close above the handle, this is not it yet. We are trading the new all-time high, a 4-hourly candle close outside, maybe even a rejection down. We touched it 2 times already. A new confirmation of the new support, which was previously resistance, and then a break above the previous rejection point. That is the moment where I am entering, and 74,000 US dollars is the moment where I am exiting. But of course, guys, I will be taking some chips already from the table at the 67,000 US dollar area, the golden ratio for Bitcoin. And I would personally not be shorting Bitcoin in a bear market. If you really want to be doing so, well, do it. I wouldn't be doing it. I would be probably trading a new lower low on the daily, and the last target where I would really go out, because this is not a pattern trade, would be above the previous low here, because I'm personally not banking on the bear market. I don't think we are going to get a rejection more than 40%. That's already unseen, but I would definitely close above the 44,000 US dollar levels. But honestly, guys, if you want my advice, and don't take it as financial advice, I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin in a bear market. Sometimes you're missing out on some gains, but usually in the last 6-7 months, we made amazing trades, amazing profits with our long trades. If you were to be shorting, well, I can tell you most of these trades wouldn't be successful. The same for me. If I would have been shorting, I would not have been successful as I was right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was absolutely mind-blowing. The most bullish and the most bearish scenario actually in alignment exactly at the all-time high. I have never seen something like that. Make sure you share this video with your friends. You like, wherever you are sharing it, YouTube loves it if you are creating these backlinks, so I would really appreciate it. You make the crypto family bigger. Smash up the like button and leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. I think we should talk about some altcoins soon again. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and as always, guys, bye bye.